Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin inside Chrome, click the three-dot menu, then choose Settings. Once done, scroll to the On Startup section so you can change how Chrome opens. You do this now because the Restore option lives there, delaying add steps later. Make sure Chrome is updated so labels match these instructions. If you use profiles, pick the profile you want to change. Changes apply per profile. Now that you're in On Startup, move to the next action to stop automatic page restore. You'll change the startup mode. Under On Startup, select Open the new tab page or choose Open a specific page and remove any saved pages that reappear. Once done, avoid the Continue where you left off option. That is the setting that reopens tabs. If you prefer a fixed set, add just the pages you want. Make sure to repeat for other Chrome profiles because settings don't sync those choices automatically. After adjusting, close and reopen Chrome to confirm the change took effect. You're finishing by restarting Chrome and checking that the unwanted pages no longer reopen. If tabs still return, make sure your startup shortcuts don't include a session flag and disable extensions that manage sessions. Some session managers force restores. Once done, try reset settings to their original defaults or create a fresh profile if the problem persists. That typically clears stubborn session data. One key troubleshooting tip: if a crash keeps restoring tabs, clear browsing data, and then test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.